We're gonna go to the loop over there. All right, Mateo's about to start the how to downshift and double clutch a Model A class. There we go. Don't crash. All right, Mateo, here we go. We're gonna go out to the loop.
Down there? This year at Model A Days, myself and AFCA Technical Director and Model A YouTuber Paul Shinn were recruited to teach a how to downshift a Ford Model A class. So we had a few students and I'm going to be showing you that today.
What Model A are we in right now?
We are in a 1931, late 1931 Woody wagon. This is from Pennsylvania.
Nice. This one's got the gas shut off under the hood, so I don't have any way of shutting off the gas and messing with you now.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. All right, here's our spot.
The purpose of double clutching is to synchronize the gears. Since the Model A has straight cut, not with those synchronizers, the driver's the synchronizer. So I'm going to show you how to do that momentarily. I'm going to push the clutch in, put it in neutral, and push the clutch in again, and it slides right in.
Can you show us that again? I wasn't watching.
Sure. I'm going to push the clutch in, put it in neutral, rev, and it slides right in. Don't be afraid to rev it, because if you don't rev it enough, it will grind. Trust me. And the good thing about this is that the car is so squeaky, you won't even know if you grind it.
Yeah, right. Now show us how to downshift into first.
Never done it, so get ready.
Slower. Now. Nice.
This is the fine. Here we go. We're going to learn right now.
Neutral. Clutch up. Rev. Clutch in and yeah. See? See?
That was nice.
No, clutch out, rev, clutch in, there you go.
Oh, okay.
More rev.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, clutch in after revving. Yep. Yes, nice. Perfect. Perfect.
This is a good learning experience.
Yeah.
It's like,
Now when you downshift, remember when you go to neutral, clutch up, rev, and as soon as you rev, clutch in, throw it in gear.
If you wait, it'll grind.
Rev. Yeah. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
No grind.
awesome.
Perfect. Perfect. Good job, Mateo.
Am I a good teacher?
Yeah. You're a good coach, man. Look at that. Look at that.
I won't do first. I don't want to ruin the training.
First, do this yeoman style. Alright? So what I'm going to do, downshift a second. Boom. Okay. I got no feet on nothing, alright? Right. Watch how fast this happens. See what I did there? Okay, so when I went to second, this is what torque does for me right here. So this thing's right here. Okay, now watch this. I got nothing, right? See the sequence?
Yeah, you revved it and then clutch.
Bam, like right now. So, see what I'm talking about? All right, you're gonna nail it this time. You're gonna get it for sure. Yes. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah. Okay. Neutral, clutch out. Whatever. All right, now rev, clutch gear. Boom, now. There you go, brother. There you go. That's how it's done. Let's see you do it again. Slow down. All right, now go to neutral. Neutral. Clutch up. Clutch up. Clutch up. All right, now.
That's the
Watch it.
That's what I go all the way up. Yeah. Okay, I didn't do that before, but
Then grab the clutch. No, it's all one motion.
Now Joseph here was too young to take our driving class, but I thought I'd teach him the basics from the passenger seat. Now it's really important that we get youth involved and in these cars, which is part of my mission with this YouTube channel, is bringing more youth to the hobby. So if you have someone in your area, a younger kid, get them in your Model A. They'll enjoy it, and they may get one in the future. You never know. And you're going to release the clutch, listen to the sound of the engine while giving it a little bit of gas on the right side. See how we're rolling backwards? Because we're in neutral, so that's why you always want to have the brake on when you're not driving it. But to start moving, there's a point when the clutch starts to engage. See there? Now we're starting to move forward. You always want to be really slow with that, so it's nice and smooth. And if you're,
I wish I could drive.
Not yet.
how old are you?
8.
You have like 8 more years.
I gotta do the so then I gotta do the process over again.
Yep.
But then you'll be a pro.
Yeah, I only been driving for 2 years.
How old are you?
18. I'm only 10 years older than you.
Okay, now I no longer feel safe.
And I feel so old.
The reason why we have different gears is because if we just kept it in first, we wouldn't be able to go more than like 10 miles per hour. So the different gears have different ratios, so you can go a faster speed without burning out the engine. Second's a good speed for around here, but you can go into third. That was bad. But you can go into third, and this is what you'll really keep it in when you're driving around. Like on the modern. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one, and drive those Model A's.